Whoa, there we go. How did we do that? A while ago, I bought a TIG welder, currently sitting down there. Have I ever used the TIG welder before? No, it's sat in the shed collecting dust. It also does the arc welding, stick welding, whichever one you want to call it. Again, something I've never done, so this is definitely not going to be a DIY video because I'm going to watch a video on how to set that thing up in the first place. We're going to start off with doing some stick welding, and this stuff's relatively thick-ish, so it should be a good base to kind of try stuff out. What I want to do is use a stick, try and like lay down a line first, see how it goes, and then what I'll do after, I'll get my grinder, put an actual cut there, see if we can stitch that back together. I also recommend not doing this on a wooden table, but I figured seeing as we're welding up here and it's not directly like onto the table, we could be fine. We're gonna find out. The first thing I gotta do, take some paint off that. Alrighty, and then the rod we got, so this is E6013 2.5mm premium mild steel electrodes. I don't know what any of that means other than the mild steel, and the 2.5 is the thickness, I guess. Alright, so we got it set on MMA at 70 amps. Oh, by the way, this is the Razor 200. I was trying to get the Razor 180, I think it is, because you can run that off a 10 amp socket. This one, you have to have it on a 15 amp socket. That goes in there, and you twist that down. Oh, look at us go! Cool, 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 cool. Now I need to get some gloves on and not a flammable shirt. Yeah, lens on this is dirty. I've heard some people, you don't have to hold it from the handle. You can hold it just from there, but that feels like it's gonna snap. We'll just try to double hander it. Whoa, there we go. How did we do that? Oh, there we go, we're going. I mean, something happened. There's like some spots that are really high, some spots that are really low. I don't know what it looks like until we actually hit that stuff off. I don't have a chippy hammer, so okay, the first one obviously looks terrible. But I also had no idea what to expect from it. I don't know how much that's going to pick up. It's still got some of the slag kind of like on the top bit. There looks way too small, like I was holding it a bit too far away. That's looking better, but very inconsistent. So we're gonna get another rod, go again. No! Wow, I went through the stick a lot faster that time. Here I think I went way too slow. These ones, yeah, it's like too slow, too quick. I actually don't know. I have no idea. I should probably look up some kind of like photo or video on like what the different weld puddles tell you. But we're just gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going until we find something that works for us. Yeah, the hardest part I'm finding is trying to keep a consistent, like keep the hand steady for one, particularly because it's all the way here, but then consistently keep it at the right distance from the metal. So I'm thinking if I hold this like that and then feed it that way, see how we go with that. Oh my god, I'm such a head. Yeah, watch it arc up right now. Yeah, nice. That is not the game plan. That is so hot. That is so hot on the finger. Woo! What if I sit in a chair? Or harder. Oh, this chair sits way low. It's alright. We're gonna rock it. Don't know until you try. I mean, I'm physically more comfortable sitting, but in terms of performance, I had no idea if I was going in a straight line. Look at all this white floating everywhere. Let's see how that goes. Nah, that feels way too inconsistent. I think this is the way we're gonna go. The guys who actually do this, what's the secret to getting it to like, oh! Nope. I'm actually feeling pretty good about that last section there. I'm gonna run one more while we're still feeling good about it. Come on. Come on. reckon that's gonna be our best one. I felt pretty good for that one. We're gonna find out actually. It was a little bit messy here. But once I found the rhythm for it, that's quite nice. My phone might be able to get a better close-up video of that. It's very, very spotty. So up this back end here, that's where I think it's like okay. And well, in my eyes anyway. If anyone knows any different, I am completely open for open for thoughts and opinions. But that's kind of what we started with before. And just in a couple runs alone, we're getting that result. Get rid of that. And we'll try to put a cut in here and see what happens. Little bit of warpage going on, but that's fine. Immediately blew a hole through it. Although that being said, I haven't changed any of my settings yet. So, we're gonna run it like this. We're gonna run it like this and hopefully yeah, immediately through. Can we save it? We can't save it. We're making it worse. Oh, we're just gonna make a big crater here instead. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. We are a professional hole blower. Jesus, that sucked. I feel like we're gonna drop our amps a little bit. Let's try it on 60 amps. Oh, we suck. We're terrible at this. Oh, we were going so good. Meanwhile, there's a guy out there that's bloody stick welding like razor blades together. Yeah, no, that's not happening. I don't think we're up to that level yet. So, considering that there is our first attempt, not very consistent. We kind of got the idea of it, then burnt a hole. Started to get nice kind of here, a bit more consistent there. Tried a little gap. That went terribly. It was going well for about an inch, then we blew straight through it. But these two aren't too bad. Here at the bottom here, this is where I tried to do that little weave thing. No, that didn't really, that looks kind of gross. But these two, even though it's not straight, I'm quite pleased with that. Oh, it's still a little bit warm. Like, I mean, for first time doing this type of welding, it could have gone worse, but we definitely have a lot of work to do, and kind of like figuring out different settings for different thicknesses of metal. How the heck to actually stitch two pieces of metal together, like MIG welding, sure, no worries. This, nah, blew holes straight away. Yeah, I gotta go and get some more stuff that I can practice on, cut up, just getting more confident with just doing the whole line and getting a consistent profile on it, because I feel like it's sitting up really, really high. So I think I need to, I don't know what I need to do. I'm gonna keep playing around until I find something that looks better. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed my poor workmanship.